Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 331 Ford 420 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Mustang 2+2 convertible. Go over some of the highlights of our engine build here. Again, we had 331 Ford, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, Cobra valve covers, Ford Racing 13-inch air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there. The complete Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, all the menu settings set, ready to go, plug and play. Every engine at the engine factory is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, Holley Sniper fuel injection completely set up for you, ready to go. You have the proper oil pan for the 65 Mustang, front sump oil pan. You install the oil pressure extension to make it easy for your oil pressure switch to hook up. Heavy duty Russell fuel lines, loop clamps, gas filter setup, brass freeze plugs, red ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there, vertical wire looms all set up, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookup, proper automatic flex plate for the customer's C4 transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 331 Ford. You have the polished Raptor pulley kit on there, AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, passenger side lower hose for the 65 Mustangs, correct. Thermostat housings installed, thermostats installed, bypass hose, oil stick and tube, 160 amp alternator, one wire hookup, power steering pumps on there. So this way you get it turnkey, ready to go, right out of the crate. 331 Ford, all set up. Thanks for watching.